Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a scroll frame for cross-stitch. This fantastic tool provides a stable, flat surface for your fabric, making your stitching experience much more comfortable and efficient. It's especially helpful for bigger projects, keeping your fabric perfectly taut and preventing creases. You'll find it significantly reduces hand fatigue and allows for more consistent stitch tension, leading to a beautifully finished piece. First, let's assemble your scroll frame. Take the two sidebars and connect them to the two scroll rods using the 4 plastic knobs. Make sure the fabric attachment method, whether it's tape or clips, is facing the inside of the frame. Once assembled, you can slightly loosen or tighten the knobs on the sidebars to adjust the overall width, ensuring it fits your project perfectly before attaching your fabric. Now, let's attach your fabric. Lay your cross-stitch fabric flat and center it across the 2 scroll rods. Secure the top edge of your fabric to the top scroll rod using the provided clips or by stitching it to the fabric strip. Then, gently roll the excess fabric onto the bottom scroll rod, ensuring the fabric is smooth and taut across the working area. This even tension is key for neat stitches. With your fabric securely in place, you can begin stitching your design in the exposed area. As you complete a section, simply loosen the 4 knobs on the sidebars. Roll the finished portion of your project onto one scroll rod and unroll new, unstitched fabric from the other. Once you've advanced to a new section, red-tighten all 4 knobs firmly to maintain that perfect, drum-tight tension for comfortable and consistent stitching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.